Hello, Geordie. Can I speak to you for a moment?
Yeah, just a sec, boss. Need to finish this text message to my mate. Right, what's the matter, boss?
Well, first of all, I don't like your tone right now. I think you might be a little more polite in your language. And I think you know phones are not allowed during working hours. So no texting either.
I'm sorry, boss. Don't mean no harm. But my mom's sick and I need my phone with me. Is that a problem?
Well, I'm sorry about your mother, Geordie. If you'd have asked me before, we would have found a solution for the phone.
So it's okay then for me to have it, I mean?
I'll allow it for now, but only for emergencies, not to contact your friends. But there was something else I wanted to talk to you about. I just followed the sales talk you had with the lady who was interested in a new coffee maker. I didn't think you understand what she needed.
Nah, weird chick, that one.
That's no way to talk about our customers, Geordie. I really think we need to have a serious talk about that. What I wanted to say was that you were hardly listening to her. One of the basic things we expect from our sales staff is that they listen to the customers. It's one of the competencies you really need when you want to work as a shop assistant.
Yeah, sorry, boss. I know. My mind wasn't in it.
Sorry?
I know. I should have listened better. But she was going on and on about her dad and how he wants his coffee real strong and, well, I just blew it, I suppose.
Yes, you did. You could have made that sale if you'd paid more attention.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I will be watching your work today, so stay on top of it, please. Watch your language and try to be more helpful. Try to help the customer make the right choice. And stop this boss thing if you would. You can call me Jason or Mr. McLaren.
Okay, Mr. McLaren, sorry again. I will work on it. And just watch me make the next sale, boss. Sir?
I will. And I still want to talk to you later this week. I will ask Eileen to make an appointment.
Okay.
Well, I see there's another customer waiting. Go give it your best, Geordie.
On my way. Good morning, sir. How may I help you?